Hello beautiful people, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making some juicy turkey wings. Before you start, wash your hands, marinate your turkey very well. And in this bowl I already marinated halfway, so I'm going to show you all the things I will be using. I use curry, and when you add curry to your chicken wings, it gives it some special flavor. I'm adding my white pepper as well. White pepper, what is turkey wings without white pepper? And I'm also going to be adding in my ginger powder. Yes, ginger powder makes it really yummy. And the next thing I'll be adding would be my black pepper. Wow, the flavor, the aroma, the taste when you add black pepper to everything, when they combine together, it's so yummy. And lastly, I'm going to put in my garlic powder. Yes, I'm going to put in my garlic powder. Remember to wash your hands, so if you have some gloves, you can use them. And you have this Goya adobo, which consists of white pepper, black pepper, and the ginger and the garlic and everything, with a little bit of chili. So if you don't want to use these things separately, then you can go ahead and use the Goya. This is another form of Goya that is being used here in Finland. It gives the food a wonderful taste. So after putting this together, you go ahead and add in a little bit of oil, because we are going to be baking it, grilling or baking, whatever way you want to call it. Add in some oil, and then you go inside and make sure you spread it, you mix it so well so the spices will be evenly spread on the wings. Sorry for my because I'm making something juicy and I've been waiting for a long time to eat this. So I make sure that I give it a good mix before I lay it out to put in the oven. Yes, remember black pepper, white pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder, a little bit of oil, and then you set aside your table. Set aside your baking plate. This is my baking plate here. I'm just going to go ahead to spread in my chicken wings. How am I calling them chicken wings? My turkey wings. And I've already prepped my oven, so I'm just putting it laying out nicely. I'm going to be adding in some plantain. Yes, this juice from the turkey, I'm going to be adding it there, so it will be more of like cooked turkey. It would cook, and then towards the end it will get dry, and you guys are going to go along. This is my plantain that has already been peeled. I'm going to steep it in also in the condiments, black pepper, white pepper, ginger, garlic, and everything that has them. I would turn it in, and then I'm going to add it in on the tray, and you can see how beautiful it's already looking. Yes, put it well, make it beautiful, then spread the juice all over evenly. So when it cooks, it's gonna be so mouth-watering. When somebody looks at it, the person just wants to dive in and eat. Yes, guys, spread it nicely. Some people will want to cut the turkey, but I decided to hold some pieces, so when you grab one, you eat to your satisfaction, and then you're good to go. Yes, after doing this, I'm going to grab another foil pepper, which I'm going to be using to cover it up. Yes, I'm going to cover it up, and so the heat, the steam, and everything remains. The aroma and everything will get into the turkey so well. The condiments will get in so well, and it will be tasty, juicy, and so yummy. That is me covering it beautifully. Yes, beautifully. Yeah, my kids wanted to eat this for their lunch when they get back from church, and I said, okay, why not? Let's just prep it, make it ready, so when they're coming back from church, they're going to have this. And yes, that's it. I finish covering it. I'm going to go ahead to turn my oven off. Remember to turn the heat to up and down as you see it, and then you can turn it. I'm starting with slow heat, then I will add it gradually 200, and that is my oven. I'm going to be grilling it for 45 minutes. to 15 minutes, depending on how well it's grilling. So I will come back when it is cooked or when it is ready to open. Remember, you can check it on intervals. You can be checking on intervals so it doesn't get burned. This is me checking it the very first time to see how everything looks like. So wow, look at that. That plantain taste so delicious. I looked at it and I thought maybe it needs a little bit more of cooking so it can get that golden brownish color that I like to have. The under of this one is already having that color. Beneath it is already having that color. Look at that. Look at, I'm putting it back just for 5 minutes so it can get this golden. Oh, guys, these turkey wings, I forgot to add the picture where I was devouring it, and this plantain was so soft, and then the juice was inside the plantain as well. So having the two together was the best combo ever. How do you do your chicken wings? I keep calling it chicken wings. How do you do your turkey wings? To eat this way, follow my recipe and don't forget to subscribe. I love you.